Hello everyone, I'm Genevieve from Floss And Mischief. In this video I'm going to show you how to read a cross-stitch chart and how to change colour. Let's get stitching. Cross-stitch patterns are typically called charts because the design is charted out by squares. Each square represents a square on the Aida fabric, and when the square is filled in, that means a stitch goes there. Cross-stitch charts also contain a key. That key shows you which DMC colour threads to use whereabouts in the pattern. Each DMC thread colour is represented by a symbol. When you see that symbol in the chart, you know which thread colour to use for that stitch. Cross-stitch charts also list the kind of fabric, the colours of floss, and how many skeins of each you'll need. You'll also need needle, or 2 or 3 in case you lose one, small scissors, and an embroidery hoop. When cross-stitching, it's often easiest to finish all the stitches in the same colour area before moving on to another colour. When changing colour, fasten your new thread by slipping the needle under the last few stitches in the preceding colour. You can then carry on cross-stitching in your new colour and keep following the pattern to know where to stitch next.